When they go laser from the outside, Ladylike is running viral, just joking. Then comes Sport Class and running down on the inside is King House. Beautiful gold second last, and Little Gem running on the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Ladylike by about 2 lengths. Moon Laser is running in second, just joking. Closing in third is Sport Class down on the inside. King House, beautiful gold still second last, and Little Gem as they race the ball corner. Ladylike by about 6 lengths now, just joking. King House, Moon Laser as they race the 350. Ladylike by about 6 lengths. King House, just joking. Last 200 meters more to run. Ladylike by about 5 lengths. And finally, Ladylike, number 5. Second, King House, just joking. Beautiful gold. Then comes